Guys, welcome back to video number 2 of The Closer. I'm Pete.
I'm Matt, and we're here to replace your opportunity leaks on the tennis court with opportunity rewards.
That's right, this part of the court, very leaky. People set up the perfect point and then they blow it right when it's time to win the point. So what we're gonna be doing is increasing your conversion rate. Now today we've got the biggest challenge, a shot people hate the most. Matt, what do you guess it is? What do you think people do not like when they get a short ball?
A low short ball.
No, they hate the high backhand, especially on the one-hander.
Up.
Oh my God. Well, that's the best and perhaps the only way you can react to missing a shot like this.
Most people, when they write in, they do not like this high backhand volley. And what we're going to do is we're going to get them over their fear of waiting. People play the waiting game when they get this high ball and it ends up killing them. Right. Before we do that, though, guys, make sure they go to what?
Video 1.
Video 1, where we show them how to do.
Click up here or there. Where we showed you how to do the down the hill technique. A lot of people, they wait for the ball to drop and it gets in a more ideal comfort zone to strike it. But the problem with that is you have to hit more up the hill. But when you move in and you take the ball earlier, take it a little higher, then you can hit down the hill. That's how you really get aggressive on the short balls, approach shots.
So before we get into today's lesson, guys, remember, if you haven't watched that video, go back, watch it now. If you haven't commented on that video, make sure you comment, because if you comment on all 3 videos that we show,
that's right,
you are going to qualify to win a Fidel poster, which Matt volunteered me to buy for you.
It's not just any poster. This is very nice. Maybe I'll flash it on the screen, showing how it's multiple pieces. You stack them on top of each other. It's a true work of art, a masterpiece for your home.
That's right. All right, let's get into today's lesson. All right, guys, so to be able to master that high backhand approach shot, we need to eliminate 3 leaks that I see. The first leak is the grip. So people tend to have a weak grip when they're trying to rip that one-hand backhand approach shot. There's lots of people out here that tend to hit the ball like this. Even Johnny Mac back in the day kind of looked like that on some of his backhands, which we'll show you a quick little clip of.
Habe ich oft dieselbe Erfahrung gemacht. Im Bruchteil einer Sekunde sehe ich plötzlich den perfekten Schlag vor meinem geistigen Auge und führe ihn aus.
But what I want you to do is, you know, today's players, they can go up there and rip that ball high. They're very comfortable with that, and they're in what I like to call the motorcycle grip. So how do you find that? You're just here, hold the racket out to the side, and grab the racket like you're riding a motorcycle. You want to make sure those fingers are nice and spread apart. This is going to allow you to get leverage up over the ball and still feel very comfortable ripping through and getting some topspin, so you can feel good taking that ball high.
So the second most common power leak we see with the high backhand is a waiting game. The last thing you want to do is walk up to that ball and then kind of wait and end up taking it really late, especially if you're using that weak grip Pete just showed you. That's really a recipe for disaster and injury. You want to go out there and be aggressive with that ball and take it out front, just like any other shot. I just know this ball tends to be more intimidating for people, so it's much more common to see people waiting even longer to take a high one-handed backhand topspin drive.
The third leak that you want to correct is your natural tilt when you're positioning for the ball. So what do I mean by tilt? When people get ready to hit a ground stroke, especially on the backhand, they tend to be much more comfortable like this. And you can see my shoulders going from here and up. We were to put an arrow pointing that way. And what we want to do is we want to change that relationship as you're coming up to the ball. You're here, and then right before you hit, you want to change that relationship where now you're kind of tilting down just before you hit the ball. You come up here, you're kind of even, and then as you're getting ready to hit, you want to be tilting down forward. So again, you can get that down the hill effect that we learned how to do in video 1 on the forehand.
All right, so we're gonna demo those very common opportunity leaks that we see on the high backhand approach shot. Pete, you're gonna do the first one. He's gonna try to hit it with a weak grip.
The weak, old school grip. I know a lot of people out there actually have this grip when they're trying to hit.
So what's the difference with this grip? Basically the knuckles are a lot lower, more
Yeah, they're
forward.
lower on the frame, and so it's gonna add a lot of wrist flop to my shot, as you'll see here. That's what I'm gonna rely on to make the shot.
So yeah, I can actually see a lot of movement. You'll notice there's a lot of flopping around going on when Pete hits it. I mean, he's hitting it pretty good.
Yeah, so you notice, and that's what's going to happen, a lot of inconsistent results. So I made one, and I missed two, and I'm trying to make them, guys.
Real quick, that wasn't on purpose, was it?
Yeah, no, these are not on purpose.
Well, it looked like it because it was really bad.
Yeah.
Let me move out of the way.
See, I'm got a little closer there, but I'm relying a lot on this movement.
Well, I've tried to hit McEnroe's forehand with that grip before, with Continental grip, and
Yeah.
same thing happened to me. It just flies long a lot.
Try
so
one more, and then in the net.
All right.
And I'm already hurting here a lot.
Really, you really feel it.
Yeah, it's hurting. I
All
don't
right.
want to
Don't
anymore.
do this at home. We're just showing you so you don't have to.
Yeah.
All right. Let's demo another one.
Now I'm going the motorcycle grip.
All right. This is the good stuff,
This
right?
is, hopefully this is the good stuff.
So you're gonna try still.
Well, I'm trying them all, buddy.
I know.
See,
There you
now
go.
I'm able to control this a lot more.
Nice. You want another one?
One more.
Thunderback. Thunderhand. Nice.
So you can see they're able to control the ball a lot better when I come up with a motorcycle grip.
Let's show them the other thing, the waiting game.
The waiting game, number 2. So what Matt's going to show you in the first round, I'm going to feed Matt. He's going to have to wait, try and hit the ball around your belly button. What we're going to find is if we are in that power grip, hitting the ball on your belly button, you're going to be late and you're not going to have much control over the ball. In order to really hit a great backhand, a one-hander, you got to be out in front here, way out in front of your foot. So we're going to show you the difference. The waiting game is killing your chance of making this shot.
All right, let's set it up.
All right, here we go. So Matt is waiting for that ball. Ready? Here we go, Matt. Wait. Gets behind him and he's hitting. That's what's going to happen a lot on your approach shot when you wait. That was actually really good late timing, Matt.
That was.
We see people do that all
I've
the
never
time.
felt anything like this ever. Whoa!
Yeah. So we're about to go
almost got the
cameraman. So now what Matt's going to do is he's going to basically hit out here, out in front of the foot. Look how extended that is on the contact. Right, Matt, go on out there. Meet that with the fist out in front, and good looking shot. Let's try that again. Matt's coming with the fist out in front. Perfect contact. He's getting that ball to go down in the court. He's increasing his conversion. He's learned how to always be a closer right now with this backhand by hitting way out in front. Beautiful, beautiful stuff.
One more. The number 3 opportunity leak we see with this high backhand approach shot is the tilt. People leaning the shoulders back like you're behind the baseline, hitting up the hill, to borrow something from video 1. Pete, how are you going to change your shoulders here? Show them real quick.
I'm going to come this way, so again, that's going to, force me to come more forward. If I'm tilted this way, guys, I'm going to naturally have to wait. The ball's going to be near the baseline. So
are you really just dropping your shoulder, leaning in, kind of?
well, I'm getting a little skip, and I'm even, and then right as I get ready to hit, that's where I start to push forward, like my chest is going to go towards the ground a little bit.
Okay, so just a little bit.
Yep.
Just a little. All right, let's try it out. So here's the one you don't want to try, but you can watch Pete try it and see how it works out.
Coming low, and that natural opposition, you can see I'm hitting higher than that, not really getting much aggression on the ball.
All right. Pete's going to try to lean that shoulder in just a little bit. And you said you like to think about it as bring the chest to the ground more.
Yeah, I'm thinking about this pec, my left pec, since I'm a lefty, kind of angled down as I'm hitting that ball. I don't want to crash because that's going to put the ball in the net. It's just a slight tilt forward so I get some leverage over the ball. Also going to see the relationship change from the back foot to the front foot, down and through.
All right. All right. Here we go. Ready? Nice. So what is this doing for you? It looks good.
Well, it's allowing me, again, to get that down the hill type movement to where a lot of people, when they hit a backhand, they don't believe they can achieve because they play the waiting game, because they have weak grips. they're in that defensive posture. But if I'm thinking about going to it, trusting the tilt, I'm gonna make that shot almost every time.
Is it giving you a little more pop on it?
Gives me a little more pop, but I really feel like I'm starting to gain control over the ball and get it down. Because so many people are afraid to hit that backhand that's gonna fly out on them because it's happened so much to them over the years.
So the biggest benefit to getting that shoulder down here, you're just gonna miss a lot less.
Yeah, I feel like I'm able to get the ball down on the other side of the court.
And you could be aggressive and miss less.
That's right.
Okay. Well, there you go. That was the biggest problematic shot in this part of the court, the leaky part of the court. And we just showed you the 3 biggest things people do wrong, so hopefully that fixed it for you.
Yeah, and what we want to do today is ask you, because remember, you need to increase that conversion rate by...
Always be closing.
Always be closing. Always be closing.
So we want to ask you, on your backhand side, what do you feel is keeping you back, now that you watch that video, from attacking the backhand? Did you notice any leaks that you do? And share some advice, maybe the best tip you ever got on the backhand approach shot.
Okay, and remember, when you comment below on that, and you do it on all the videos, you get, put it on the screen, the incredible 3-part Fadal poster.
Yeah, yeah. I'm ready to give it away. I'm excited about it now.
Art piece masterclass. What do they got to look forward to in video 3?
Video 3, what we're going to do is we're going to do something called the bull by the horn technique. It's a play you can run to basically attack people's weaknesses, get to the net, and increase your conversion. I love to run it all the time. So we're going to show you the exact pattern, because I don't think a lot of people are like thinking a couple shots ahead to create an opportunity.
Yeah.
It's all about creating opportunities and then closing it out to create an opportunity to get to the net. So we're going to show them how to do that, how you can manipulate the point in your favor to where you can get the exact approach shot you want and the exact volley.
Yeah, tennis people love this kind of chess genius strategy stuff. So video 3
genius.
Video 3 is going to be a lot of fun. Don't forget to comment below. Get your masterclass artwork on your wall, just like I have on my wall. See you in video 3.
A couple days, guys. Look out in your inbox.